Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Here I am today in the house because it's a rainy day out and I have these plants here that I need to get up potted. They have outgrown their little starter cells. So today I'm going to repot them and I want to show you guys what I'm growing here. These are ground cherries. This is my first time growing these, as well as these tomatoes. I got black cherry and beefsteak. I have jalapeños and the Greek peppers, which they've grown so much you can't hardly see them. Over here I have started some marigolds, the yellow and orange. And then over here I've started like 4 different types of zinnias, and a couple of them about to bloom. Some of them are like withering. I don't know if it's from the grow light that I have or what. And then I have some cosmos, like 2 different types of cosmos growing. So these definitely need to be replanted, and I am going to put them in here. I have my soil here, and we have the amendments that I'm going to add to it. And this right here is my black cherry tomato plant, and I just did this potted this I think 2 days ago, and it's not doing too good. I don't know what's going on. It's starting to get the what do you call it, leaf curl. And I also see right here, looks like it's about to have some buds. I started all these seedlings back in February. I may have started them too soon because I was so excited, and look at here, the ground cherry already blooming. Look at that beautiful flower. My goodness. My first time. I can't wait to taste these because I heard they were good. These, I believe, are, I want to say the pineapple, or could be the straw. I'm not sure. I think it's vanilla pineapple, yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all these up potted. And then I also have some more sitting over here in my windowsill. These are got this from Walmart, 30 roots, and we have the red eversweet and white Carolina. The white Carolina, I believe, are pine berries. So I had to repot these because they were in a bag and they were dying. So I went on and repotted them in here because it's still too cold here in Southern Virginia, so zone 7B. But by the end of March, I'm going to put these out, probably within the next 2 weeks. I've already had some of them die on me. And these ones here are the white Carolinas. Get them out soon. And then over here we have the berry wine and humidity raspberry. This one's already growing out the bag. I'm gonna have to get this stuff planted soon. Got those. And then these over here are the everbearing. Are they everbearing? No, wait, eversweet. Let me see here. Eversweet. And I've had quite a few of these ones die on me. As you can see, this one, that one's dying. So, yeah, and I only got 10 of the red ones. Here we have, I got this from Walmart online. This was a waste of money. Paid $28 for this, and it is tiny, but it's 4 snowbank white blackberries. I had no idea they were this tiny. So this is going to take quite some time to produce something. And right here is another disappointment. Let me show you guys this. This is a honey fig. Look how tiny, and I paid $28 for this as well. And look how tiny it is. I mean, fits in my hand. So I'm not going to plant this one in ground. I'm going to put that in a pot and see if it lives. But it's supposed to be a honey fig. It's supposed to taste like honey. An Italian honey fig. All right, then I got some more of these growing out the bag here. This is the blackberry and raspberry. What is it here? Black Ebony King and raspberry purple jewel. So I have to get this stuff planted soon, so stay tuned for the video on this stuff here. Then you guys can take a look at my turmeric. It's still too cold to replant that. All right, so let me go ahead and get these up potted into their new homes, and hopefully they'll do well. I'm not going to let the rain stop me today. I'm going to do it in the house, and I'm going to go ahead and use this soil, put my amendments in, and we're going to replant all this stuff. So I'm just going to fill these on up with this dirt. Put my amendments in here. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some little amendments in here. I got my bone meal. And I'm gonna put a little blood meal. These are my go-to amendments here. And I'm gonna put just a little Epsom salt in here. All right, mix it on in. Now I'm gonna put a little more dirt in here, and we're gonna get to planting. All right, so we'll take them out. Let me show you guys the root system under here. So as you can see, they have definitely outgrown these cells. So I'm gonna just go ahead and start planting them in their new home until I gotta be very gentle with these. Don't like to pull on them. Okay. You might have to cut them. Oh, there we go. Check that. Oh my, look at that root system. And these are my ground cherries. I am so excited to grow these this year. I've heard good things about these, but I also heard they could be invasive because, and I'm just going to break the root system up a little bit so it can spread. And let me get another one here. This one I think has 2 in 1. Yeah, I heard they could be invasive. So I need to separate this. See, I got 2 here. So I'm going to try to do it without harming the plants. Ooh, I don't like doing this, but it's got to be done. Alright, so I've separated them the best I can. And I'm going to go ahead and just continue replanting them. But like I was saying though, yeah, I heard they can be invasive, so You might want to choose wisely where you plant them, or you might want to plant them in a container. But I'm going to plant mine out in one of my above ground beds outside as soon as it warms up a little more. Okay, so I have finished finally. This took forever. So this is just temporarily. It's going to be warming up soon here in Southern Virginia. So hopefully they will be getting out soon. But for time being, they're going to be in these pots, because this is what I had. So these, one side is black cherry. We got the beef tomatoes. Then we got some, this is the Cosmo here. We got the marigolds. We got the zinnias. This one's about to bloom. Some more marigolds. Marigolds, you can't have enough marigolds. And this is my first time growing tomatoes, marigolds, green cherries. I said green cherries. Ground cherries. And the Greek peppers. That's my first time growing this stuff by seed. Now I have grown the jalapeños by seed before last year. Did pretty good with those. So this is how it's looking. It's a hot mess in here. I got to clean it all up. But thank you all for watching. Until next time, I'll be seeing y'all. Bye.